Good morning students. Today we are going to start our new topic, that is circumference. The distance around a circular region is known as circumference. This boundary around a circle, this boundary of a circle is called circumference. In case of rectangle and sphere we call it perimeter, and in circle we call it circumference. And mathematician Pi found that this circular, the length of this region, that is circumference, and diameter. You can also make different circles and you will find that this length, आप इसके ऊपर thread रख के नापो length and divide it by diameter of the circle, you will get the value equal to 3.14, sometime 3.2, 3.13, so near about approximate 3.14. that is the means the ratio is fixed. So it is C upon D is denoted by pi, and therefore C we can say, if we transfer pi d, and you know that d means diameter and it is equal to 2r. So we can say that circumference of circle is equal to 2 pi r. I have just taken 2 at first, 2 pi r. So this you have to remember. And other is area, that is region enclosed in the circle. This part, this is area of a circle, and this is circumference, that is 2 pi r. So area of circle is equal to pi r square. So means when you will divide this circle into different sectors, they have also shown in your book. Let me show you. So, and see what how this formula was derived. A circle is divided into the sectors and it in this way. So this is the circumference, the boundary, okay, and this is radius r. So it turned into a rectangle. And what is the area of rectangle? We all know that is length into breadth, and here length is circumference, so length becomes pi r and breadth is r, so pi r into r, that is pi r square. Therefore the area of circle is pi r square. Now question number first is that we have to find the circumference, and they have given to take value of pi equal to 22 by 7 also. Now 2 pi r, so 22 by 7 into r, 14. And students, even if the value of pi is not given, what you have to see that if 7 and the radius given is you can reduce it, then take 22 by 7, otherwise take 3.14. There you will get the approximate value. So on solving you get the circumference. Now next r is given to be 28. Now same circumference 2 pi r, and on solving you will get circumference equal to 176 millimeter. Now radius is 21, and putting the values in the formula 2 pi r, your answer is 132 centimeter. Question number second is related to the area. Here also they have given the value of pi, otherwise see like pi r square. So pi, what do you mean by r square? 14 into 14, 2 times being multiplied, and 7 and 14 are reducible, so you will take 22 by 7. So 44 into 14, and on multiplying you will get 616 millimeter square. Why? Because it is area, unit should be in square. Now diameter is given in second part. So what will be our first step? First we will have to find the radius, because we want r here. So radius is half of the diameter, so 49 by 2, write it. Now 7 7s are 49, 2 11s are, you get 11 by 1, 7 by 1 into 49 by 2, and on multiplying you will get the answer 188 6.5 meter square. Same way, in C part R is given this, and we find the area equal to 78.57 centimeter square. Now question number 3 is, if the circumference of circular sheet, the outer boundary means circumference is given, and we have to find its radius. After finding radius, you have to find the area of sheet. Now see, the circumference is given to be 154 meter. Now put the formula, 2 pi r equal to 154. Now putting the values, 222 by 7, and radius we have to find. Now keep the radius on one side and transpose these values. 154, 7 is being divided, so multiply, and this 2 into 22 will be divided. Now 2 sevens are 14, 2 sevens are 14. When you will multiply and divide by 22, you will get the answer 24.50 meter. This is the value of your radius of a circular sheet. Now first answer is clear. The radius of circular sheet is equal to 24.50 meter. Now they have asked us to find the area. So what you will do, area is equal to pi r square. Put the values, 22 by 7. What is your r? 24.50 into 24.50, and when we will reduce, we will get our answer in meter square because it is area. Now coming to question number 4, a gardener wants to fence a circular garden of diameter 21 meter. Okay, there is one garden and diameter is this. Find the length of the rope he need to purchase if he make 2 round of fence. Fencing करनी है 2 rounds. Now also find the cost of the rope if the cost rupees 4 per meter. Now see, first try to understand the question. Now a gardener has given us the circular garden is there, this shape. Now he want to put a rope around the garden. Now what is to be found? The boundary, and the boundary is called circumference. Now you will be able to find circumference 2 pi r, but as he wants to fix 2 rounds, so when you will multiply your circumference by 2, you will get the length of the wire. 2 ropes हमने बांधनी है, तो रोप की लेंथ कितनी होगी? सर्कमफ्रेंस मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2. 2 राउंड्स ले लिए. नाउ cost of 1 meter, when you will find your circumference, cost of 1 meter is rupees 4. Cost of your circumference you will multiply by 4. जो भी आपका आंसर है उसे 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो then you will get the cost of the rope. Now let's start. Diameter is 21 meter, so radius is half of the diameter, 21 by 2. Reduce नहीं हो रहा, leave it. Rope needed, rope कितनी होगी? That is circumference, the outer boundary of a circle, that is 2 pi r. Put the values, 2 22 by 7, r is 21 by 2. When you will reduces, you will get 66 meter. So this is the rope needed to cover the boundary once. So for rope needed for 2 rounds, means you have to put 2 rounds, 2 into 66. So on multiplying you will get 132 meter. This is your first answer. That is how much rope is needed. Now cost of 1 meter rope is given to be rupees 4. Now you need 132 meter of rope. So cost of 132 meter, 132 into 4. 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 1s are 4, 528. So your answer is rupees 528. Now question number 5, from a circular sheet of 4 centimeter, a circle of radius 3 centimeter is removed. ये बड़ा सर्कल जो है, दिस इज द आउटर मोस्ट, इसका रेडियस है 4 सेंटीमीटर, इन इनर सर्कल का दिस इज 3 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, नाउ दिस सर्कल, this white portion has to be removed, and the remaining, the shaded portion, the area of shaded portion you have to find. Now see, this is 4 centimeter. Okay, these are concentric circles having same center. This is 4 and this is suppose 3 centimeter radius, and this is 3 centimeter. Now from this 4 centimeter I have to remove this part. So we will subtract this bigger area minus smaller area, then we will get this circle. Okay, we will get the area of this white part. Now what we will do, area of, and here we have to take the value of pi equal to 3.14. Area of remaining, this is, you may write this is remaining. Okay, remaining sheet. So area of remaining sheet equals to pi r square, this is minus pi r square. See, I have taken radius of bigger circle with capital letter I have denoted, and for radius of smaller circle I have denoted with small r. So pi you can take common, and here r square, from here we are left with small r square. Now students, if I take it formula a square minus b square, but you will be little bit confused because in 8th we will read. So just put the values 3.14. They have given the value of pi. Now r, capital R is 4 है radius बड़े circle की, and of smaller one this is 3 square. Now 3.14, 4 4s are 16 and 3 3s are 9. So 3.14, 16 minus 9, when you will calculate you will get 7, and on multiplying we will get 21.798 centimeter square. So this is the area of this white portion. Just we have to subtract the bigger area, area of bigger circle, we have to subtract the smaller one. That's all for today. You have to complete up to question 5th. Thank you.